toss and turn while you're sleeping in your bed, and you find yourself waking up in the middle of the night trying to fix your bed? Well, this video is going to help you fix the problem. Hi, this is Maurice Chupek, and I'll show you how to fix your bed sheets from coming off your bed. The materials you're going to need is the elastic. This is a 1-inch elastic. See? And so do all 4 corners, but in my case, I'm only just going to do the top, because the top part of the bed, that's where your body is, and that's where you usually move around. You can do the feet part, the bottom part, but for me that's just overkill. So, and if you're only going to do the top portion, just make sure you're working on the right corner, so the width part. Okay, so I'm gonna start here on this corner here. So you measure your elastic. I'm going to do 1 foot, so 12 inches. Cut that, and then you're going to measure on the corner of your bed sheet. Now on this corner, if you notice, this is the corner, see where the seam is, you would measure 12 inch from the center where the seam is, and you have to stretch the fabric. Okay, stretch the fabric and mark 1 foot, and you do the other side. On the other side, you do the same thing. You stretch your fabric and you mark it. Okay, so now the idea would be is to put this elastic over here. This is where you're going to do it. Okay, but the way you would sew it, you sew it under, and like so. Can you see it? That's how you do it. See? Trying to move a little bit back. That's how you would sew it. And the way you sew it is you sew it as, when you invert it, you would sew it at an angle like that, so that it would come out that way. And you do the same thing on this side. See, right there, when you invert it on that side, you would sew it at an angle right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the sewing machine. Be right back. So now I stitched that one side. See, I kind of like stitched it at an angle, and I did double stitch. So I stitched here on the bottom. I also just stitched the top. That way it's stronger, you know. And then now I'm gonna do the other side. So the other side, I put a mark on there. So I'm going to stitch it this way at an angle as well. See, at an angle like that. See it? So back to my sewing machine. So you stretch the fabric, and let's see. Oops. that was the bottom. Then I'm going to do the top. So it will really be reinforced. So the top. Do 3 times. Okay, so now I've done this one corner. See, I'm gonna do the other corner. So this is how it's going to look. See the elastic right there? Yeah, right there. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm done putting the elastic on both corners here. So we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna put this up. Let's put this on our bed and see how if it would actually work. So here we are. This is my bed, and here's the elastic. So we're going to put that on here. Can you see it? Oh, okay. So this mattress is a little heavy. So this elastic, you put it on here on the bottom, and you stretch it. Go on the other side. Oops. So, see if you're trying to pull it here, there's the elastic. Oops. If you try to pull it here, there's the elastic that's holding it. So it's not going anywhere. So, and you see how smooth the bed is? Yippee! I love it. It's not moving anywhere. See? Smooth. Just like I want it. So there you have it, friends, mga kababayans. I just finished this video, and hopefully you like it, and hopefully you learned something on how to fix your fitted sheets. If you like this video, please click like, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to make a comment, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and see you on my next videos. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.